Installing WordPress manually, aka installing WordPress the right way. Hello people, this is 01 Dolphin here, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress without using any WordPress one-click installers or automatic installers. I'm using Dreamhost for this tutorial, one of the top hosting providers which offers one-click WordPress automatic installations. For this, I'm going to log into my Dreamhost dashboard and I'm going to click manage in one of my websites. Inside my website dashboard, you can see WordPress icon with install button. I'm going to click install button and I'm going to click the install WordPress button again. Will install WordPress within minutes, and I can log into the installed WordPress by clicking the WordPress icon in the website's bottom corner. It will automatically log me into the WordPress dashboard. Things that you cannot change is you cannot change the usernames, and if someone gains access to a WordPress hosting account, they can log in into the WordPress dashboard automatically, and installers such as Softoclus installs some plugins by default. Things that you needed for WordPress installation is a WordPress package, a web hosting account, and a MySQL database. Let's start by downloading a WordPress package from the WordPress.org website. I provided all the links in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. Just go into the WordPress.org website and click Get WordPress and download the WordPress to your local computer. After downloading, go into the file manager of your website and after going inside, just double click on the website's folder. For me, it's install.01dolphin.com. Just go into that website, and this is where you have to upload the downloaded WordPress package. You can upload this WordPress package by clicking the upload button inside the file manager, or by uploading it via the FTP or an SFTP software. For this tutorial, I'm going to upload it with CyberDuck, one of the open source software and a secure software for uploading website files directly into the hosting file manager. You can download it for Windows as well as Mac OS. After downloading, get the credentials for your SFTP or FTP account from your hosting panel, and then open the CyberDuck and click plus icon on the left corner bottom. Then click choose. If you are using FTP, please choose FTP, or using SFTP, please choose SFTP. I'm going to use SFTP for this installation. Just type the WordPress that your website server address, username and passwords, and if you type the if you choose SFTP or FTP, it will automatically choose the port for you. If not, get the port number from your hosting panel. After typing all the details, just close the box by clicking the close button. Now double click the website's name and it will start connecting to your hosting account. After connecting, just click allow. You will see a green signal after it logs into the file manager. Now we are inside the files of our hosting website. Just go into the public folder. Here we are going to drag and drop the WordPress package that we have downloaded, and it will start uploading. After it might take 2 or 3 minutes for uploading, depending upon your network speed. Close the box and right click the package and click unzip. Wait for the CyberDuck to uncompress the WordPress package that we are just uploaded into our website's folder. You can do this inside the CyberDuck, also inside your file manager account. After uncompressing, go into the file manager of your website and make sure and move the files from the WordPress folder back to the main folder by selecting all the files and moving them. And then after that, delete the emptied WordPress folder and All files should be like this. After that, open a new tab and type your website's name for testing all the files are moved correctly. If not, you will get an error. If you done right, you will see a WordPress welcome page, which is a language selection page. You can see the WordPress language selection page is showing for me, so I've done right. After that, we have to create a MySQL database. Just create one database and copy the credentials that you used for the MySQL database. For me, my Dreamhost doesn't offer localhost, so I have to create a host account. I mean the localhost MySQL database separately. After that, click new tab. Go to the new tab and type your website's name, choose your language and click next. Then in this section it's showing that you need to type your database credentials on the next page. After that, click let's go. Here you have to type your database name, username, your database password. Then if you are using cPanel, mostly localhost will be your server name. Then on the prefix box, just type WP, any number ends with an underscore. After typing all the details correctly, click you will see a success page like alright Sparky that you installed WordPress. That's it guys, you just installed a WordPress account successfully without using any automatic or one-click installers. Now type your website's name, username and password for logging into your credentials. Please buy me a coffee if you like this video, and for upcoming videos please do subscribe. Type your email and click continue.